Hey, what's up guys? Harrington Hair here, and happy Fursuit Friday. Here in the US, we're still doing our best to stay indoors, at least until this vaccine becomes more available. And after being stuck inside for so long, I've come up with 3 more ways for us to fursuit safely. So, sit back, relax, and hey, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and hit that button right there to do so. And let's get right on into it. Follow me on these social media platforms. With caution and social distancing still the order of the day here in the US, a lot of the furry community here are chomping at the bit to get back to business as usual. Now I know it sucks being stuck inside and not being able to go to fur cons right now, but for the first time in what feels like forever, the end may finally be in sight. Until we can get the vaccine out to the rest of the population, here are just a few things that you can do if you want to fursuit safely at home. With everything that's going on right now, we do have plenty of time to pick up a new hobby. If you've ever considered learning to make fursuits, well, now is a perfect time because you've got plenty of that time. There are plenty of amazing tutorials out here on YouTube. Tons of awesome people who walk you through step by step exactly what you need to do. All you need is some supplies, a lot of patience, and your own imagination. So, hey, why not give it a shot? You might find that you like it and it's something that you can contribute to the community with. So, go for it. Build a fursuit. VR chat has really revolutionized the way that the furry community interacts, the way we hang out together and communicate in general, especially now with us being stuck at home. The furry community has found themselves a new home in VR chat, and several skilled artisans are able to recreate their personas as 3D avatars they can use in those games. If you've ever wanted to play as your persona in VR chat, you can commission one of these artists to create your persona or learn to do it yourself. Once you have that built, you can go running around in your virtual fursuit in virtual fur cons and have a blast. Now for this one, you might want to make sure that you live in a rural, spacious area where there's plenty of space to stay socially distant. I myself live in Texas where there's plenty of room. So one more thing that you can do if you live in a spacey area, if there's maybe a park nearby, is maybe go for an outdoor photo shoot. So long as you're staying socially distant, wearing a mask, and being safe, sometimes you are able to get out there and just snap a couple of really neat photos to show your friends on Instagram and other places. You may be able to do it yourself. Cell phone cameras are really good these days, but there's no reason that you can't really get out there and take some really neat pictures so long as you're doing it safely. And just remember, please stay socially distant and only go out if you are sure that you live in a spacious area. There's plenty of room out there to be safe. And that should be our #1 priority. Look guys, again, I know being stuck inside sucks. I get it. But with everything going on in the world right now, it really is the safest option. At least until we can get this vaccine out to the general population, which should happen here fairly soon. Hopefully then we can start going to fur cons again before the end of this year. Hopefully. Until then, what are your ideas for fursuiting at home? Let me hear it down in the comments below, he said, pointing to his pants. But that's going to do it for this week's video, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I want to give a big shout out to my amazing Patreons, Sofu Hasi, Sasha Fennick, and Lemfek. You guys are awesome, and thank you so much for supporting my content. It really means a lot. And if you want to support my content and be super awesome, there's a link to my Patreon in my profile, as well as in the description of the video down below. So, if you want to support my content directly, feel free to check that out. You'll get to watch my videos early, so that's definitely a plus. Also, don't forget to like the video, make sure that you subscribe, and hit that bell icon to join the notification squad. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Until then, bye-bye.